Hey guys! So I've been trying to come up with a way to thank you guys, my subscribers, because we're almost to 3,000 subscribers. Like that is a huge deal. That's crazy, you guys. Thank you so much. I really didn't think that I would get this far. Like one day I was just like, I'm gonna post how I'm building Medusa, and so I did, and it really took off. Like you guys really liked it, and I just want to say thank you for 3,000 almost subscribers, almost. So I thought I could give away a fursuit partial. Like, does that sound good?
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.
Great. That way I could get more practice, and you guys could earn something out of it too. You guys could have a chance to win a whole fursuit partial, and who doesn't want that? But this won't be a run-of-the-mill giveaway. No. So I'm introducing something called the Fursuit Raffle build. It will be a community fursuit building series where at the end of the series, the completed partial will be given away to one lucky patron on Patreon. So let me explain how the raffle part comes in. On my Patreon, there will be 3 tiers that you can choose from to pledge to that can earn you entries into the Fursuit Raffle build. Tier 1 will be a pledge of $1 per video, which will earn you 1 entry per video that I post on Patreon, not YouTube. So each video I post on Patreon will charge you $1, and that will earn you 1 entry into the Fursuit Raffle. Tier 2, you pledge $3 and you get 5 entries per video on Patreon. Finally, Tier 3, you pledge $5 and you get 10 entries per video on Patreon. So that is obviously the most bang for your buck option. I made it so spending extra money is worth your while. So that's the basic, like, general idea of the Fursuit Raffle build. But you can go check out the link below for my Patreon. Will have the entire explanation of the whole raffle and like all the little details and all questions you guys might have. Feel free to message me if you have any questions about the build. You guys know my Instagram, my Twitter is in the description below too. And I'm sure you can message me. I think you can message me on Patreon. I'm not sure, but I'm pretty sure. So the fun part, the fursuit partial. Ooh. So the fursuit partial will consist of this color scheme. And it'll have follow me eyes. Ooh. It'll have teeth. It'll have jewelry. If I put jewelry in the design, I'm not sure. I think I will. Yeah, I probably will. Problem is, I'm not sure what species to make the partial. I'm stuck between obviously the canine, the feline, and then a hooved animal like a goat or a horse, something like that. So comment down below which of those 3 species you would like to see be built, and I'll count them all up and then decide from there. In a couple of days, I will release the chosen species, and I'll release the ref sheet for the whole character so you guys can see what you'll be winning. Along with the partial, you'll also win the character, obviously. So in the comments, tell me what species you guys would like to see be built, and don't forget to check out my Patreon page. It's gonna be in the description link. You can see all the rules of the Fursuit Raffle build if you're confused about anything. I'm really excited to do this for you guys, and I'm really excited to just have a community interested in fursuit building and like lifting each other up and just being positive people and just hanging out while we build stuff. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye!